My tropical island in the sun, with mango, guava, jackfruit, tofu, and monkey bread, nature tastes so good when relaxing in sunshine and having fun. The air smells like perfume, with accents of cinnamon and spice. Drinking a dram of tea punch on ice, my thirst quenched, the spirit soothes and delights. I eat fish like no other, seasoned in Scotch bonnet, with plantain and ackee beside. My soul senses the taste as it dances with fire and salsas to life. I look to the beaches with pastel-painted sand. The sea is transparent with magnificent color beneath, of beautiful fishes, shoals swimming to me. I feel blessed by the gods in true paradise. I cannot ask for more, as everything is here. I pray that this land will never disappear.